Do you see this cube? Oh yes, we did it. We did it. And that's what we were aiming for. This is just it. We wanted to draw. We wanted to have like a transparent layer and to draw over it such that we can do some explanations without using any third-party tools. We've done it, but I think we could do better than this. This still, like, it needs some work. So if you want to see more, just stick to the end of the video. I'm going to try to make it as short as possible. All right. Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, Hazel. So as you have seen, we just had a transparent layer and we drew over it, or we've drawn anyways. What we want to do now is we want to make it like, you've seen the canvas, how it is like laid out wrong. This is never going to be like, we are not going to see its full potential unless we use docking, and we can't really use docking right now to reasons I have told you like about before. Well, we can do it in here because this is my engine, and my engine already supports docking, but in the editor application. But I think we could do it in here. Maybe for another time. To keep it short, we are going to try right now to make it as good as possible that we can have. Okay, let's jump right into the camera. So, first of all, in here, if you see, we don't know where is the canvas anymore, because we can write here, but in here there we can't, like here we can't. Now, why did this happen? It happened because it thinks it's going out of the window maybe or something. Anyways, we go back here and we see that we can draw just on it. What if we made, actually we can make this bigger. Yes, which is pretty awesome. We can make it bigger, and now I can make other illustrations, for example, here or here. Here, we want it to be a little bit more customizable. Let's tweak some of the parameters. There is one problem. We should fix it right away, which is we have seen that the editor, all of the panels, the IMGUI panels, they all get the same like coloring and everything. When we have made this debug draw panel, what happened? We have made it a little bit transparent, like half transparent, but all of the other windows got affected. We don't really want this. I think we can do this with IMGUI, like push style var, I think, and in here we want to put the color of the background almost thing. We can do these colors. Let's try. I haven't tried it before. And window background .w in here, and then I think we should put the value. We're going to pass IMVec4 0, 0, 0, and 0.5. Thin is in here because IMGUI call window background. We are having .w, so we are already working with that, like working with a single thing. I think we can do, maybe if we didn't say W, now it's working correctly. And now we can set the entire color of the panel. As for example, maybe this is gray or something. What's the problem? IMGUI call window. No, sorry. IMGUI call window background. What's the problem in here? Oh, okay. And we just IMGUI style var. Okay, we'll just pop it. Okay, let's hope it works. It didn't work. We have done something wrong. Trying to fix it before really doing anything else. Maybe because we pop two style variables, because we need to tell them that we need to pop like one style, two style, and the default maybe one or something. Let us just see. I know now, I know. It's not going, maybe it's not going to work like this. Yeah, it didn't work. And why? Why it won't work? Because IamGUI, push style var, and pop style var won't work like this. They work inside of the window. Okay, if we want to change something inside of the IamGUI panel, just imagine that I didn't really know that. Imagine it. Now I think if we really have changed it, it would work, but the problem is we're changing something that should be changed before we go into the panel. We are changing the panel's color and opacity. Okay. So that was the problem. Now it does not work, but that's the problem. It still does not work. We don't really need it anymore. We are going to change it anyways. So I think what we are going to do is the following. Here we are setting it globally. We should do some. Alright, so that's something that I should do. I'm going to do it. That's something, because I don't want to make this video so long for you. Let's do another thing. So let's play with the canvas. The border doesn't really say what we're doing right now. Okay, so I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. The button size, we are still going to have the buttons, the border. In here we should play with the border. We do have the border minimum and maximum. I think we should play with these. Then we'll add in a rectangle with the border max. Alright. We're saying the canvas position. How about we wanted to make it like the entire window? What about that? Canvas position. Yeah, it's initialize it to nothing. So it's going to be in the middle of the screen, but because we have changed it and IamGUI do have a file, IamGUI.ini, that's going to save what we do and the layout for the IamGUI panels. It's going to save its state, or we are going to have them saved in where it was before. This is going to be the second task for me. For now, we can still hack it because we can do whatever we want, right? And I mean, we can do things with IamGUI ourselves, right? We can just take the panel and stretch it, and it's going to save it. And if you, like you have seen, I can change the width and the height of my scene that I am drawing. So I can zoom in and out such that we can have the panel on top of it. Like you see in here, I can play with my viewport. So what I have done is I can make the panels like this. All right, I can do this. We still can have it red. In here, nothing happens, but in here I can still make my illustrations. Or if someone was like drowning in here, I can still make that happen. Okay. All of this, it was just a test. It doesn't really matter that much, but I do have to test it, and I am going to do it. Anyways, hope you enjoyed. I'm sorry that I kinda I'm going to do them off screen. This live thing is okay and fine. Don't worry, I can handle it. I think next time I'm just going to show you the solution and what I have made. I just didn't want to make the video like super long for you. Don't forget to like, follow, leave a comment if you like. And if you didn't really like what we have done in here, because I have kind of like strict them off into me doing them and then showing you them again, or if you like me to stay live, just tell me in the comments. Hope you enjoyed, and as always, stay safe. Peace out.